Neya Saya. Okay, Neya Saya. Okay, let's go. Neya Saya. All right, Mimia. That's what we're talking about. Now, I want to go from the beginning, man. The Mela spirits, man, they are going to chant down. The Banum Dwam Dahla Barkapuna, Kat Zorka Kara, but Dahla Barkapuna, and Angafara. Spirits, my love, Naya. I know Matu to Walma. They are associate to her. Not a good associate to her, you shall come on mine. But to me, boy, Yo ya. Do the saya. Okay, neya saya. Mie ya tabarakallah. Warma ya la pupa na sahaka ne. Ti ya kwen no sham tulu manyala. Ti ya yam puma kapa jabara na kan kutura na tamlana. Ti na bolan mu chamina za hanye vietiti. Katakana ta boss ne ti nyanya. Tintu pal alqawle shaltan bama. Masa shal kamza hanyara me yesu kapi buru pune. So katu haburu pune kaso pangman pune karanang ma. Hatta mamman bannan la amfana la pina ma sa gaba daya. Katak pangman te bangsun betu fuhan beti yati yikon titi ya mun na gang na te tamlan ma o katari ya punu karanang ma ya katil lapsir gang sabun da babu ni jama ntru dama da simsimu kangunu mun nye tura mun nye nyangda na won gafara ya okay bana masababi ya punu katakana ya talatin fuka pa pam yoma ka bebe kantanga ka chepirga pa ka badin chana NTV program ma na na barkanan apibu punu ya a jinel punu ayel musalin ni shari tu suhrme nda won fu mul ka chaya an bor sher kam murtwel ka suhre bor na won largum le ka fulu murana da dam na min bor sher karnya la chuta zantu kadene yenye sababi ya to yalle kamumba mi kakuya no daliran ko bala ana min yakaso nun korsa mbor moto dal ha ko bora moto kana wongu min moto ma di ndilo nyefle be di malu bal ko buto te kala la fo hamne te bang te korsa ne nyeshel kat nun ko to ko murtwel borle kana wongu min re kat anfan orotiti te non ya do orotiti halti soti te boati jambo ti korgabo ngunde titi wazan ta lafi katata nesam katata imani kamane angun na wunin tira dan ta simsin ta karanto to du'am karanto bubta dadi ne karanto bubja habu ven yalanga kasu kam nan bun fanga to dan kata nan da korse bor no san latitiya tabarakallah sama abun ya akto ban won dable mbu do kunya fizunu be yiran shamma ko ni won dable udadwa karbazan swale ne borna ban shambala okay yulu mo Muhammad Hafiz ya aka G-Face shitobina nyasi yang bilicin bitum bisun karasu kuble na bombarle torle annab no hungaran war ya pupa na TV so ya okay en chele masan limani ya kale te ga ka ban na dincana ka bumma ya TV te sakande na maso danye NTV program ma kaman na pun yela ma da yulu mo dincana yeto wala be lambere puni ya ku borman te ga ka ban na mina Central Spices les tomato mix lala nyala ka Institute of African Art and Technology kababi arsiki timma puni ka program ma ka da kannama ya very well okay ya kan yan ko program ma start ma ya kuma la some 2-3 headline stories lala 2-3 headline stories ngoma ya nta hatalla hay da na ya ku biyan trend da balama we look at that issue and of course ti lehle na imballa interview nan santana ya di pashale apunya alama nan ma kamana this particular weekend ma na wun gafara ya polo kati sompo ya kuna ya kati karatan mangura lura inshallah la fu kana wun yisantin ya fiya paga asbar shaldin ku beto kan no we move on the team all represent the lion in charge to storm lan ya sankara yiriya bigger things are one inside the community center one of the greatest rappers okay all right chakan chele sel kacham titega ka bang ya antoti no mu TV station la but anabu program ka bolle ne chop the mic la particular chop the mic ma maiden edition ma first time winner halbam pon winner garza la zuma winner ma de biela de koya that particular guy antoti no drop bangers upon bangers okay ogbala al kawle no oyen no la program jenen na yasankara yele man pon yela yen na twan o lora pa twan ni mi twan ya ka pambo bembe na yasankara yele ka ba sati ne la program ba de fukum si ya okay di yeto akati yele ya na yara ma na banyi habo o yulumbo no oh boy yasaya mimi ya oh boy nyala muntar na yasankara yele ya antoti no drop yil shale ka bole ne biaji kama G-Face no ni kama no mal star shama arjina abila ya yamale arjina boy bi kama kaso minye ya ala yar karawuma all right the BIJ hit maker okay na ya sankara yirka la particular concert ma ka yen no ya asabri the 30th November balaba of course the Simpson the defila sanjanda de polo just as we always do okay and for that reason ma I'm a mini program ma it is very packed for that matter no like interview and oh boy and the party mazaha bazaha kan manatu and we're going to talk about it of course Nivo Shabango impact program as well either in events putting up or guest performances ma bazaha nyela bambiana yes let me remind you that ninkuru shede banyela mumbere pulia and of course first time balaka milu ko hayen you tawa and it's coming to na Sankara Yilma for that matter there's a interview kataku now we're looking at that particular one ma oh boy is coming to we're looking at Bay Aji concert live in Naya Sankara Yile okay then in your interview session so but before katana de la interview ma there are some 2-3 stories kan ko borna santa katete tan kan labna ti labna then interview ma kan ya number 1 on the headline story ma den katien ko ma your house will be presented to you this week. TV3 assures optional kin yasaya ne yasaya mimia da bang ya na sasi do na ta pa de pne bon ju mo man torta ba ai sa na tiji ka pa yo apa sa rafian agba bo timiza ha min bezang de yo karle en farsar jahma ti jam na malat ya num ka ka ba ni dan difficult no da yes, your house will be presented to you this week. TV3 assures optional kin. Nta swahlan balama. Kamin optional kin di fila. Nsanjande yeto ashal din na kubiyar kaso kama za hayarle. Tisahami ni optional kin would represent the northern region. For that matter, nchang ti TV3 no reality show shall be any capable in the mentor reloaded ma first edition reloaded ma na kana the first episode ma then ka optional kin that ma ya and tisahami no promise of prize winning ma Daniela yile. Then na shi sahashel mo hoya ma yilma tana batahle mune optional kin na batahle mune hanni bo pam da milla hanni bo pam da malla la sabo kamar upa chana ankara wo pam mi onye shi yishele because ankara shi bu to pam ni bo pam da malla la sabo san jalla la yilmo te pe lila tan yili za ankara ka ta bambu to nyangda an shi ga ankara ka jali shi yen na atom an te yilmo de so ta ban tar pam ma nyala ta bandi ka jali shi ankara anye yetu amana chantel no shambu but unfortunately it has been very worrying that TV3 nama al kawli shelden da bagi ni la particular yilmo ma the presented ma karana ba presented 3 years on kuchanma very very embarrassing very very worrying agbaya kateno solo ntwele ka optional kin changa kra kuna o changa kra and we all know that the journey yetu asheli ya yina punu kaptiyane Northerners, you people are difficult, you people are violent. Katukusan solo ndwele. But it has gotten to a point that kanwana to solo ma te banan le patarga. Da bang pambe yan ne zu jargo la kam nyor buyi. Bakoy de bayi juni yumayi hali yuma tan jarma aba te banlan no solo ti ya jarlam nyale ya TV3 to solo wazel la targma. And of course, you are agitating that the person in the yima kana lala issues ngoma and optional kin is still in Accra katele na tinya but one thing can bona understand come an optional kin over jihra people should not make it look like optional kin in Chakati TV3 not at all. He's always in Accra, he's always at the premises of TV3 you to ama yell you bam bra promise umungo bra no hydra at the palace stage. Let me just break it to you before Kananyala what optional kin said to me earlier today in the morning ma rata para stage shele ka yilma documents strategy video shele ka bazan documents shele into optional kin. Yes, that was the house promise. Okay, ben san yilma tuma nta hakalala estate developers ma min TV3 ka tumbali misunderstanding as to yil shele ben yin san presented tama because bravo some top up of money ka TV3 num yan la arma bin bol pae sa ka yitu ai fahbuna kana bimini estate developer ma min TV3 so so ka na okay that particular house ma to presented. So they had another option to present another house, never something optional kid. But when he checked it out, then Daniel flat. Can you come a story building Zosa and Tanga? So Kabli come on, okay, be in deal at Tanga, baby and dealer Zosa is out the optional kid. Shower and Ramelka shower at Dagama upon consulting people, Brian come on, no, lad and Manguna, there was some say, was I Mali, coming so mal the Junjong. It is just like a red. The ribbon man, I could to claim ownership of the whole thing, man. Was a car park I'm sharing with somebody, compound I'm sharing with somebody, and last celebrity status ma katenera. Because if this shouldn't sako the abyss or I ran out to you pay ma. I'm just giving an example. So lab brand optional kinma shouldn't have been sharing an apartment or a flat with someone, especially with TV3. Okay, then they will look back at that house album for ma. Bumila is the develop ma shawarani and baggy. I think that was it. There are involved in Nanama, there are involved lawyers, there are involved consultants. I mean, I'm still in direct contact with optional kin category fila da Shakamazaha or Yerma. Don't papa Sahashelmo, Carpasian come brate 2 months, brate 3 months. Week more, no, last week Friday, ma. TV3 no see you mama da bola optional kin na ti yelo. Pumpon ne bakwemo, Kamazon atarata. To tell me alaba, Allah, me she when a week more than present les anto. The Pumpong, we are just going to give them the benefit of the doubt, considering the week that they are giving us. Katele Bakwe Mosusuni Nyanya. Yilma Dende to Puya Kapakam, Malaban the Pumpahalabandana Katitiga Kanan Bumfanga, Tibeti. Now we have lined up issues Shangatin. One, how to puntish our Pune Dene. The Ashman come and we should do a press release. We should involve lawyers, we should involve Muna, Katia and come and find Tin no Shamyala. The Bankpamian need Sokubian Kazan, Sepulbu Pelatune. The Racham with the Pagi, Bambalba Cabazanti, Number Busati in Yaptapiam Sai. At the Sanala to Amazon in Yaptapiam, and Lay come and Uyang and Racham competisa, Cartanan Shamuno. So them Parker Yilma Nava Yinama, who will be looking at the Tiburan letters on the song, who let them yanya. So that Munubu Bambalva, Mutumba, and Tem Ankara, come the party with the Renema, Mpova Delhi Sheldon Chibu Younger Adile, Canabati. The Sahabipa Yellow, Uba Yellow to Pumpon Nachima Zankuma Natimyama. The Mibunuma Yasam, Dum Pasha Muma. The so enten yellow Bakwe, baby enten yellow well, be Dabata, Nuno to Yellow, Ibakulani, that young them Fiera. The Sahalay to Amon Chang, Katokuri and your Bakwe Muma, Big Wilma, then your Chansham, the process Catara Bali Chena. Still, the Napia on hold, despite the train of promise here, come on. This particular week, the trainer, but hand Yilma, but presenting Yilma as the optional came. So that's the story we are looking at just right about now. Then Katanakulia. So I wish Shapulu comes out, never calling now, Yoman the Kantana and Karamin Kuma. I mean, so many people are calling, half Facebook people are talking about it. So many people are talking about it, and we just assuring people that Sukumaza hand up solo. Time you have never pie, it's not a solo. Time you have never pie. Jaman you have never pie. Jamadi and your money and so solo. I just appealing to them that was also look at I think that's just the one we're looking at. Yeah, okay. The other ones, man, just major minor stories in Kunyele. Just a reminder, quick one: tickets and t-shirts out and available for the One Dawn concert. Now, when something if you're 27 from Balama, Matapunyala, Ahmed Mujahid, Bello, One Dawn and Balama, Rula Maya, the tickets Maya, then already t-shirts Magabiane, as usual. Ampun that ticket Lola comes out, Antoniele 5 minutes, Antoniele Police, Botek, Antoniele Parangeni, all outlets, Antonia tickets. Manakubara Alakaule maybe Dikuchana, the when Fancy Ganami had to Pohana you Tabas and General concert ma. We're still looking at that one, Maya. Okay, the One Dawn concert ma to Akayela Mabu, you now know something if you're Paga 27th ma, then Anaka 69 ma that Diasham Agastama, even Malisan Lananga Fara, Dabuma that Kutapa and that Dashamaya. Alright, we're looking forward to that one, Maya. And the drone concert inside Savulugu, you Yile Umbalamaya, now there's something if you're Paga December 2nd and Balama. Okay, feel a parent general Obashu Kubu. Maya, Nino Shuma Tuku, you sama, who blew 2 ya to the Poya Kappa, now something if you're Pagi, you will bet the number on the 2nd of December. We're looking at that. Yes, and that reminds me, another one, Macasio Science, a deal with Technoya, and Nakunyela story about never any details of it, Maya, Macasio Yella Nivo Somun. Okay, picture them now, Karashena come on Macasio signed a deal with Techno. I mean, a Chinese company can be in the productions of phones. Macasio Yella won't sign a deal with them. Then about me, details of the deal, I don't wait to sham, then not sham. Then about me, Macasio was in Willis over the weekend, ma. God willing, didn't come Hayuta will try and see if they need to your details of that particular endorsement be let a contract, Maya. That you shall them very puni. Till a regular castle of 5 Yelanga. To do that can you 69. We're one of yesterday. Yes, we're looking forward to that one, man. Okay, that one, man, the Bible. I think that's all we're just looking at. Last 2, 3 issues, man, to look around. All right, hey, they are telling my the young man, you will represent the large and in charge. Now, when there's something, if you're paying 13 for ya, okay, now, yes, Sankara, you know, you'll be a meme. Oh, boy is coming to, and for that matter, yes, Nimkurshi, Banyana won't be any. And the fire in Shatta, and you're only a representative because banning events coordinators, my inside Sankara, the Bampama, Sambia, Apuakaula. Tempijika to Halloween in Apuala. Yintuluku Wahanagilia. Some solo catete and Calabna. Tilabna, my guest will be right here. Got a particular interview with my China. Then Channel 1 TV, Menasen Food Spices. Lisi Tomanto makes the Institute of African Art and Technology. Upamana Arsika program, Karakanamaya, Jandita and Calabna. And the guest will be next.
Biaji, 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 Jelma, ooh. Hey, hey. Are you ready? You chop the mic and yalla Sakana TV. Lalaka one day for Shaba. Bayat Melma Lesale, Kaban Palanandwala. Talent in your leg. When it comes to rap, Shazam the Gilmazanto. He's a fresh, humble guy. Kaban Sumbio Zone. Wouldn't get the wallet. Oh boy. Oh boy, nyara ngumbe shilimba bia for the first time. Nkadane Sankara yele. Notu no show tetale. Kapie yulbole. Ni bia aje concert. Now is out in your via party. Yala asabri dale. On the 30th November 2021. Oh boy. Nyara ngumbe shilene Sankara yele. Yendu community center mbala bia. Richmond nyara flat. Aida triangle tengana sere. Baramel oh boy kanda. Sankara entertainment. Another team oh boy. Baramelo shirna. Lezo pasara ne chamba. Nyukuna behe. Nana mina fanima. So come da na yapolo. Yendu community center. On the 30th of November, oh boy, damn beauty. Banzaranya Baya Topsong, Banza Command Banama, Kinzi, it's Flexi, KD, Destiny B, Don Ziggy, Brown Empire, Afro Dancer, Northern Bass Dancer, and the Tabla Safelinama, Command Kushege, and the Great Quati, Bazaram Jari, Mama Karagina Mabia, Katasong oh boy, Kanesa Karagine, Tengana City, but Toso Katamoy no Tabata, running again online, that's my radio, Sankara Radio, the comes as a papa, oh boy, life in Yendi, here I just concert, it's gonna be wicked.
Yaji, Anila Abara, Yaji.
Menacing food spices, Lesi Tomato Mix Entrepa Institute of African Art and Technology. Bukang Mampununa Arziki Karzika program Kanamaya, Afizu Yaram Sashelkam, Yata Papu Palgo Wallet, Nimpama Manka Pupamia, Damangumban, Bolaka, and Papu Palgo, Papa, and Yunati to the Wally. Okay, to Chakalantic Abankamania, Anya Pupalo Punukoma, Ditanaka Palunu, Nimpuma Buchi. DJ Garu, and I, the Dagopamia, and Giddy Pass. The Jacam no could be need to pass now also. I did Carlos. So like Major Palam Babayo. Okay, come on, from the beginning, my yet two sessions and one market to Kunoma, very short headline stories. Okay, and we look on another one. Straight out, we represent the large and in charge. The channel Yapolona Yasankara Mampuyala Yabe Achi. Okay, the concert manual then cannot true live in the Yasankara, and for that matter, oh boy, Muni headliner artist something in a particular program. We'll be looking at that into details. Oh boy, Mirikuto Chino Kulera, the Lanyal and supporter and arranger a program, and for that reason, Tamala event coordinators Maya. Shata Anyonyo, Mono representative Sankara Entertainment Cinema, never yet is the grounds my preparation as to sound, as to stage, as to venue, as to lighting, as to Nimvo Shabanya influential people, never support the program Maka de Chamaya, one and Balama, there's Shata Anyonyo representing Sankara Entertainment. Okay, another people perform on that particular bill manual, Northern Best Dancers, and for that matter, yes, teacher Serapia Banyala Mumbiania, I want to represent Northern Best Dancers, I'm a Mammin and North Best Dancers, Mampu Northern Shamia, Bamuna, hey, Mampuyara, you present the Yokarla Farsar Jama, Kanache Superstar Mama, oh boy, with a different hairstyle today, I'm able to Ambalamanta and Mahominiama, so didn't cut to Queen Lera. Now, there's another set of the interview. Was Nances Margalia, Brand Empire Banyala Bambiani, Kanachi Nukushi, you want to hear you Banyala Kana, no Kamana Kuzo, you out into you, the great quality. To La Jusmani and not Yamma. The one who goes on, little Kanaya, the Quati, Nishima. All right, yes, oh boy, what one there? So, will I this old. Yermaya sang a song, Pam. Show you to now you are work a sari black mirror. He was working, I didn't have a pass it. Let it sazzle. Now, so you mean a Puru Quimba. You put your pass with Shaka here into Ella Purusway. Chapulu Miki Charaka, Kopukura. The Puru Veru up here, Bassa, so Basma. I'll be loved by Bakwama, Uba Terra Fasara. Okay, buy you for you one of the book. So, this is what I have you. I go there now, so Baba Michelle. Now, who shot that? I haven't. problem, bro. Sorry. Oh boy. So what's up? Teacher Lena Sankara Yili. I mean Biaji. Okay, no, China Yakana, the Sankara Intoma, Natural Biaji. Natural in a freestyle rap, let's go. Anyone. Okay, to
this year, I come in a way the rap. At limit of the time like Fanta, cook in the club.
Abba.
And therefore, there can be somebody so man just now play hard and simple about rap look and then you start. Okay, so after this, watch out for another. But it's still on the company, women could go fans, but as then Kakashel as I like a shop, then the super, the Zahami in the matter. So Masada, so make on the time of more, and that's one of our board. Malazan Tahana a call. I hear say you one more. Okay, I make sure. Enter about boom, what shall you beat the board of Pagalan and the counted who, Abba and the Banyan, very Abba, yourself, that would be simple. Again, Bumpa, let us much meet to jungle. Have no sample, no time to mingle. Yes. Yalla kabiya na man yali postage yo wana na jin la ni wali sabi wa ala balla tan biji ko go rosole kama ya zam ka tare mu ha karti yam ba yali
aba oh boy ya no tela chama la bob sheltama
Rapa apa ni yang pilih rap sini yang salam.
Aba.
Ibes rap kami, namanya berap nam lana. Apa orang laar wala kazwar asam dana. Tu mi jangan yang pakai nak ma profession rap sepata. Farmer people kapung Korean oh boy yafa. I never had a lecture so having my own master.
Kaya.
And well.
Naya ramen sa dan wa nang ramen kaman karapanya. Now so wa mere pugo na rap. Ni mo ay to ko yera. Oh boy, on a very quick one, I think that this particular last song shall Andrew Pukunya Biaji, and it's performing very wonders. I mean, hadn't no mama come on this it because more akonkunya they are featureless akonkunya and it seems to be doing wonders. Who like assessorly,
It's a mommy dragon when you got in
of course.
So inshallah, the mother drama that you change. Okay, so got to be in a magazine. So tunda kumfuilan like a malabia into fast.
Okay.
Yes. So got carry inshallah
okay. All right. We can all see how is a hanya come and performance of that particular song, especially radio. I mean, I come on, maybe soon we could not share local sound speakers there. Biajon Kusora. I mean, the melody you're dancing to, everybody seems to be jumping to that particular one, Maya. All right, I'll come back to you again because you would already been yelling because in any headliner artists until the particular so we won't talk about just confirmation market. Chatano, yes, Bosumamba, to Sankara, you know, Abana Sushuma, so you need to Azan Habia and your son. You might probably be so Malala, Yarmas happy. I mean, Shishama Zaha, I mean, by your whole little down because the Yendimuna. I tell you, the Amish Yarman Diga. So much of Kambala. Very well. Okay. Okay. Oh, but I'm coming in before okay. Very wonderful. Exactly. Wow. Okay.
So before the preparation now of the
okay.
So there was asked draft number.
But now I put them up confirmation because mostly the venue program. I mean, venue it is confirmed that community center career now and even the venue and it's ready for the program. Okay.
That was done time back and that was something center push
okay.
Termination at the bar and shaka. Another couple no but traffic cards in the back and let you put them in.
Yeah, assurance.
Another couple and then
okay.
So in terms of the shaka, number shop on no set. Shaka, no less.
Okay.
The number of boats and get to use market to Sora.
Okay.
The Pomba and then that back. I will down a
okay.
That no, like I know to put. My rapper is my Shama over here, no rapper. Then that's your map. What to the patch on Pao? The funny Waka and I say, that's your map went to the patch on Pao.
Lambanilla, hand one in you, but one year Yamshaman up one and two.
I don't know why I am. There's a cozy going by and while funds of the Marca. Not your mamma, family. I mean, by me, the
well, I know I want as a walker, Pali competition.
Ah, Mulum Boirley,
oh, you come with Black over what to born a lapam, would you quend that last time she wrote Mamma Bupura, Laku Cat, and no name about any Kukana, Naka in a Zoayuma. dansa ma
Bazon.
na no ba na no ya use ma no ma la da shi ya la da
Ya wala so kam na. Ama ngwa ga te palma shi.
Ima shi bo
Ima shi bo.
odi kwa
Ko she je me gba she la.
Kwate mi gbagbe ya
Bruno ma she bulo. No ma yo to mbe ya she fu ajo no nda ma ko kan ko ba na so nyo. Me ka te ma za ko.
the great Kwate Espewa la san the great Kwate is on Karani. I mean, that's very great. No Kanakati, I mean, more of tickets here to her, I mean, float here to her. I mean, most of the people shall be expecting her. And the end man the secret, I mean, Pasarama, the one about maker in the show, very, very interesting. So, look at Tinya, the engagement with them, Tinya, but readiness be. Mama, especially with who boy. We'll come and look at that. Chakanyanya Agbadelia. Yes, teacher.
Yeah, yeah.
The one like Indian Yamaka,
No, man, professional dancer. The Nipa Banya, that's it.
Okay.
I initially come and dance. I can't try initially come and hide out my club. So,
on a very quick one, reality show didn't keep that on Accra.
3 FM dance.
Okay. Ndanye blog Markham you guys ira win a competition.
Tras chicken and my father,
so how long can I in that pin ira mean pass?
And I could never a year. I don't know.
So you know that deep bank
Allah.
Oh, okay, that's very wonderful. I know you no competition.
I know that you can competition like a Biao Mama on a competition. And then, I think you're on high cube and little way from another competition. Because so one don't treat you. So we shock a competition. So why got the name Biao competition? To Lelen. So Yenston Monica now, and Jerome People as a camera. Now, as I'm bosom said to Mamma, so one Malama, the truth is on the meet and young Malama. But even though there is Asian
competition was
competition, yeah, the put you in young. Kaput the Bambeka and Yama, can put the Bambo, and I didn't believe it. I always let you. Now, person, I had to just so well. I'm going to look out to over I love a cow and tell Marco to Bumba. I could do one other base as a spot. I couldn't know to cook well, Catherine.
Oh, I don't know your bar now, the one who be the shoe.
And I'm prepared, because yes, that not the last shoe, man. But I have 5 about it. Track woman up to go to woman, man, check at our soil. Now, me, you not planted of a shot. Can we should have been not got time and pull about them, then cut it annoying. Go to Pyramid. And the man down and pack out to the question. So this always on the that is all not a
craft dancing, my prepare you.
The Malata jump, no, I can't do.
Yen individual go Garcia, no Harry one, you roll a Polo Biane.
Yeah, we jump tank back to social. I'm putting in a comment that last one. I was on tank.
Yes, the one yellow war you know team but I don't know why no pulasha pulumanaga for a competition currently and it's good. It's I mean entertainment didn't be shakamaza the yellow competition. I mean that's why I said I've done it as a very pool. Oh boy, Tan Labras and Kanya. I mean you are I mean a very good rapper and yendi mama rappers pam. Then I can rapper competition man.
Come on, bro.
It's flexible.
Yes.
Destiny Biane, KT Biane, rappers my yaya. So,
Brownie Yama, I'm believe you have happened because there's a bad as well. Okay, Lurian than like jump to
okay,
superstars in your route and vision. Bani and Bam in a champagne.
Okay,
so let's talk about because Lurma couldn't say, don't shout my Lurma, as far as she look at Lurma is no jump. Go and Lurma Saxon. So can really yes, because Briami no ya can yes, no one can have bad. So I'm going to have a number of here.
Oh, believe you back when we check and up.
So can you have one solo here?
I don't know. Yes, KD is flexi, Kinzi, the Destiny Vivo.
Yes.
Okay, so you will the football competition map at Kanaya. Much more you can. To understand it. Bipa kana hiyo ngona kana hasa wewe chongo na wewe toiba hadi tukubwa hiyo haiko na la sable bien no One ma wala ka wona tuzanwa. Le del pour le ma. Wala su na ku pila rapu ko. We know. Wala ya ka wero we ya ka ko ai ko trishiru windra. All right, yes, Jakantega Kabana Dincher Kabama on NTV, and again, Naya Sankara Yilnama. This particular program tonight is dedicated to the good people inside Yasaya, Naya Sankara Yele. Ntepa Eline, Istikora da Yalamazaha, Yapoloka Kubi, Imam Young Sang, Ntepa Busha, or Zabzoka baby, Karakabi, Hal Zabzo, Hal Bambela. Because I'm told that Don Sigi Banyana will be okay, the Raman Kamana Sabso Yalamasa, Hapumbla Yalamasa, you can pass through now something if you're back on the 13th. You can get confirmation from Ubo 13th from Yellow, Kula Asabra Kano, 13th from Balama, Asabra Dale, time I 8 p.m. Okay, very well. Nilabana Katin, guest artist Mabanya Billy Puni, Mandapunya ticket to Angela Day and Biene. Yes, not the best dancers. Warama Mama represented by Slappy and Balama, Mamma Palila teacher. Halupa Yulu dance school, so Munaban Shakamu problem competition. So Halon Kukana Nayama, no competition. Yariama Babinimane, Nakanakatiana. I know you want to try and selling. Let's look at the tickets here to her. Then advanced tickets, she Atokopana Shuma, Canadi.
Advanced kit in the Concare, then Dama.
Okay.
Data as fast as I sounds out, then you can
Abba.
The genetic download, the mammy from the
Ibama to Punya Anima.
So to put down administrator, okay. I saw them 8 to 9 hours,
okay.
So to make a good and be what I was a collection.
Okay, yeah.
Abdul collection.
All right.
The farm woman.
Okay.
All right. A sheet and a moon.
All right. That means Saturday morning. Advanced tickets man already. All right. Let's look at the arrangement towards the show. I mean, mostly the show look we know my float here to Annabi. Let me go plans here.
Plans, Madam Kunya, to Baron in the Zancham 4:30.
Okay.
By Teresa, who want to be in Canaan.
Okay.
To get the small read you.
Very well.
To zero sheet of Jara. That's at members are playing bidding.
Okay.
For the Cham 4 when you know. Samba Maga start to float, ma.
Okay.
Teresa and
okay.
So to go, man. Nachima Saga Square, but come over 3 look at me. One can that's my Samba man.
Okay.
The man can start open the Catarina
okay. All right. Saturday man on by
Saturday man.
All right. Very well. I mean, Yarma supported the program. I mean, the beauty of the program, Yarma supported the shop. Did I yell with pass around to her? I mean, better make her lovely.
Pass around, Bunumza, Kamabuku, oh boy. Jajama, to them Panjama ante.
Abba,
Akuja come out Dalan, Trano, video premiere demand, sir. Took no, took by La Dijamana to me, the Pavia. I have passed around the so one readiness when you're 2 hours, what do you want that? Try pass around.
Of course.
I was never read to good.
Okay.
So no question, I was not read to
very well, very well. Yes, Chekanyanya, guest artist ma. I mean, Kinzibo is flexible. Okay.
Destiny B.
Okay.
Don Ziggy.
Very well.
The package.
Okay, that's great. Can I tell not the best dancers?
But yes, the surprise artist show. So
surprise artist, but okay, all right. I mean, she shall see a pump and they are also
to put to a boy. Okay,
all right. Okay, very well.
So don't push on, but no was having pay show. I think that's a endorsement.
Very well.
Balancer.
Okay. Chief Balentera. Chief Balentera. Oi, Nama Yarakativa. Hey, Haran Banakutoyiba. Oi, Balentera. Karasu, the Mandan Chira. Yes, to the Pache Yalakamka and the poor and now Balentera. Nana Barkan the fire. Yes, Jakatega Kabano, oh boy, Biaji, live concert inside Naya Sankara Yele. Now, only something if you're parked on the 13th from Balama, I surrender the Yendi Community Center Karayanoya, Nintima Kabano, Richmania, 10 Ghana CD, VIP, the VIP, the regular. Okay, 10 Ghana City straight to Malagas artist man, Kinisi, is Flexi, KD, Destiny B, Don Ziggy straight out. Samsung Yell, Swell and Balama, Northern Best Dancers, Banyalaban Kanatu, and the Brand Empire. Okay, another dance Balama, Bukwana later in the program, and the Pan Kurshi versus Quati. Great comedy lineup, Bambalamaya. Okay, then among some Banente Makabang the media partners, Manila, Sankara Radio, Dasuma Radio, and the Payini online, Bazaar Hanyalaban supporter. Afro dancers. Okay, we'll be okay, Afro dancers. Okay, gosh, yes. They are also doing very well. I mean, then you dance up for the program. But Tala Shaka. Oh, Banam Bamila.
Banam Pascal.
Won't carve. No, about. Antula.
Never know what can you so DJ Carlos Darapa?
No, DJ Babumba lay the top 2 so 2 goes on the top.
Carolina choreograph.
But washing on him one. Would you want them out to me? Yam pin better, dry beat about the Kambazan top.
And Belasha Bashi what puro never.
No, beat me. Now,
no, I say no devil. Got to wire him no devil. Like you didn't matter what I don't want simple one of Yakaya.
Toribama, Nakamborna Yermaya. Yes, Yahacha can take an oh boy. Be at your life concern. Yes, I'm Karayama. Now, only something if you're Paga Asabra, the 13 from Balakabanda Puyalama, Yendi Community Center, very the Sankara Yini. Yes, it's the corridor Yadama Zahaya, Yapolokali Kubi, Yamianka Bibi Sankabi, Samson Kabi, Halbambala Bibi will see. No more course, cannot in your last sheldon Yanoya. There are rappers when you're Patawa, but in your Kinisi is Flexi, KD, Destiny B, and Tepai, Don Sigi. All right, dancers Banyala Banyam Bentuya, Northern Best Dancers, Lelanaka Brand Empire, Kabuba, Biazan when you're Patamania, and of course, there will always be comedy inside entertainment. Okay, Ninkushi Banyala Mukanachu, and Tepa the greatest of Kwati street out. Nayasan Karayin Balama, it is all about oh boy, Biaji concert. Oh boy, Pumpo Mapuya in Kayeto Apamo, then come and some Pai Balaba today, Katia Chopsy, you know, next band, Mabaka. Okay, very well. Okay.
That's my part of my
sure. Okay.
So that's what comes. I know Tim now. Come and carry on, show Shama, then no, Shanyanga, I show my baby.
Okay. All right. To rinye shambala. Ubo na pasara ma ye na be champer to that song ma para. So there's something I'm actually.
Come here.
Aba. Buba endorsement video na.
Yes.
I'll try and see ti day break ma. I'll try and see most of artists have been ma but no endorsement video na ma. Hali yar ma ba no endorsement video ma. I'll try and see if production team man to me la endorsement video na ma. Pasara ma den bien mo. I'll be happy to have that one at least pasara ma ba kunyo good ma. Kanya buba endorsement video na ka banyere ya. All right, I don't know. Then come and some qualify. Got the chops here.
Now, fantastic.
Barakallah.
Na chimaza yina. To push.
Shamalafu.
Na ya to ashan landjane. Ko complain rubbish. Na this show no the na late.
Yes, time.
Time ma.
Yeah.
To be starting ma. Then me year like
okay.
Youth ma go down the show na ma ka. So on there show ma ma bro could try.
Okay.
But latest by 11 can start the program.
Okay.
Getting to 1 to 2 for the close. That even for the time stage or more which is not the best.
And in me because line up my artist my that would be great. That would be great. Despite that, the Malay dancers, I mean, this is show that the good boy, show more than good boy, because rappers be make dancers be make comedy be. I mean, you just can't be left out. Can't you 10 Ghana City, Gapsel Lover, Salam for Abba Post of Gabba, Allah Habiam Balama, so Pamama Kaba Ubu ticket my attention, Dapsel Shalom, okay, at Talata Alaba Alamishi. Alzuma, Asabre, 2 city, 8 city na wewe, 2 city, 10 city, Allah hapiare, aba, to hala bona to koma to explain 3 ama na tela bana ka 2 city to ta ka bona sa ka di tu na san su akula habitia ka na o ka ne atwela yoro ka 2 city to ta ka di san pa 40 ka ne ma la ka po jo sere ka ba pa 10 ma ka sabre der ba pa tia. All right, teacher.
And Bayan show my 11 Mambo 9 typical so Bamo Carne. But there's only Yazamara business is captain something.
Yeah, you am
come. Why? Yazamara, no, so Carnaban, no one is man.
Mbene Sankara, you buy a poster. Yama, cut the toast cut to my Embe front seat. Chanya, here is a bomb to sell my Akabatone, no Tosca packet, getting your air, be mad. Okay, the Chelka Gumaya, yes, program Madden Spicy of Yanga, Pumbo, what took to the surprise my barona, be a teacher desire. But hey, Northern Best Dancers never come with amazing kids who,
yes,
I mean, boys shall be. Not got talent. I mean, these boys are just crazy. Small boys in Java, but still, Nite Makabon, oh boy, Biaji concert my life in the Yasankara Yendi Community Center Karayan Asabra Daria, Artisha Bayan Tapsonia Kinzi, is Flexi, KD, Destiny B, Don't Sig Street Out, Yellow Sabsoko and Yinaya, Northern Best Dancers, Brand Empire, Ninkurushi, Interpark Great Party, Tenkana Sidika area, Rates Mambala, Kanachi Time Mami, 8 p.m., 9 p.m. show getting started, and then we kick in it. Nite Makabon, the media partners, Manila Sankara Radio, Dasuma Radio, Lelanyaka Yendi Online, and so many people supporting here. Deeper Charity and Runner Out will tell you about support. Thank you so much for coming. Oh boy, thank you so much. Yes, Shata Anyonya Ampona Yen Maza Hazantia, the Papu Mazaha. Thank you so much for coming, representing dancers, my Northern Best Dancers, Sambala, the Puya Kapapa. We are taking a flash of a break. Tilabna, Mampuya Yen Kushi, the Manila, the Brand Empire Babian, Alaji Sobolo, and Tapa Atinka. Yes, we work on to the your preparation for that particular show, Maya, the channel on NTV. No love now.
Oh boy, what's up? Everything cool. You see what the system that I top from 30th November. I try to come center don't have because Superman mind karam. So system that you know pass through by that you know numbers. I try to top some bima because new pursue was okay in terms of that system you know numbers that they top some war mama. Super. Super.
Oh boy, so man now on a fast my piga. The piga and the dollar and hit you ga sokuto shega, never. Straight up. 13th of this month, Saturday in Kubarama, Saturday in Kubarama, Saturday. Entire oh boy, Biaji hitmaker, Tamale so comes am you. And our channel in the community center, no shoe gandale, can Queensland Chonka, Ejim Fambis, Bambe Bumbala, Zabzugu, Gushigu, Yapoloka, Yindi, Lola Kamkai, yes, 13th of this month. Kinzing Yalamunda per life community center in Dongman, so Tunama Mandaina. Catch it in Dalma, Sheila Zamba, Vingo, Shingo, Deepanies.
Yo, Yendi people, I could later. You may be Afro dancers, me for meeting them the nation. Yama on the 13th, who boy Yelamuchi and Sankara Dunza. The Malaysia and the losing team that they performed in the live. So the something in the comes on the brother Makana Chambe Yelanga. It's true. And then our case, I did not know and then some community center. Then we let the Yaji consent. It's an Afro dancer.
So, it's a young oh boy, my mamma in China. It's a 13 November, and you're going to yen to Tonga. Got a number color. It's a tablan on the video, wanting young woman. I don't want any card yet to Ambala. Oh, Pam boy, Marca, Machi. It's a will share, ma. It's to tell them so come in at the tour, so I come back and also appear as Antoinette and Bantu. It's a tablan on the year, don't pound, but she might be out. The blind not on the year. Oh boy, Marca, March, got to jam.
We have okay, Tama, the Pampama and the Parofia Kuruaya, the Catalatiga, don't die in the Rudirka, Nego, no to Pam, the Mopum Dira, Aquamiro and Nutella Moko Toya. Naya Sankara, now wonder something if you park on the 13th from Balama. BAG concert marker through live at the Yendi Community Center. Date marker on the Punyama 13th November, Balama Saturday. Guest artist Manuela Kinzi, is Flexi, KD, Destiny P, Don Ziggy, Northern Best Dancers, Brand Empire, Nim Kurushiji, Interpark Great Quati, representing large and in charge. Alakaya Yokatin Yasam Bambo Masa Hasane, 10 Ghana City, Allah Habiare, Gapsal Balamaya, time Manuela 8 p.m. Sharp Media Partners, Sankara Radio, Dasuma Radio, Yendi Online, and so many people supporting the program. First badge man Agaria, oh boy, Intapashata, Anyonyo, Bany event coordinators, Sankara Entertainment and Balama. Hey, Bubadan Nano Yakacha, and it's just Lapia representing Northern Best Dancers. Yeah, yes, another badge Bakanaya, another dance and the comedian, dance Gluanela, Brand Empire. Yes, Alaji Sobulu, one and Abalama, Jana Chinikushi Yona, Kali na Atinka. Pourquoi il Bambi non got talent competition pour Yarma Katatabra and also coming to Yindi Community Center for this particular program. Yes, Babele Kutama information share no $80. Yelman the show woman. No show woman. No show woman, no badge goes on Jena. I'm a moment warman and a chunk of a badge. When you are a Selma, what you know, you're a badge to a program what you talk about. No Pumbami in Delatosca program. Ka warma wati tana ne bai pon kom yu kam o na afro dancers banya ba na ya sankara yego allahumma salli na barkana ya nta program ko ne changshu wayo do yendi no what is no baraka yende what is no baraka na for ni ba ko so no baturi ya agora you toska yo no you ra 5 okay yes I like so bulu Go there, I know. I be a nigga. Be your ma farsama. No, but I ain't dwelling zone one. I know you can. I ain't dwelling one now on Farsukuyo. Teacher, like I'm born. I think I do want to be. Would you call Farsin young one?
You will small points when Yarma. I want to my Dunkunyama, then that mark of Koso on the pie. About now, Patu, Edros will come. Then be Yarpum, Ramped and pay downstairs. You be Yarpum, Judge Kunya, about the Katina, brand machine, the Emperor machine. So let's go Edros will come. But the him no pa Katina, 2 witnesses be shackled. Okay. Teacher Mamma will be shackled.
Was teacher after 5 marshal? The mama, the young bala, my hand in your dancer, your mother, now. I teach a Yarma. Lao Yarma. Abba, I'm not. Me be put one man be if my mina before you. Like one, so 1 minute, hopes up open your mind. So we all coming to, yes, Brand Empire when you're a bank and Natuma. Yes, so will you. Wabiana for the Pampuma share. Ndishara, Awara. I mean, to the Carlos Wabuko, but yes. I mean, you guys are doing well. No got talent. Wula nanyere. Vote man banyere. We sont vote man Lavo. Okay. Very well. Lanyere. To chakampa kana wa arma mama shane. Abiyama ni dansa ni sheje ni mnye. Ya ko kunye sheje.
Aye non konye sheje afile landan ma. Dama yabdo da je sheje. Ndo amba sheje ko do ma sheje ka do ara sheje be ma wana ta kala dunya ka sheje bi ka yago dunya sa ha la ka ban bora to zo ajeje wo bo la shungoma mbisale jam bi wora ba da tunu bi yira dangaya ma kun sura na wona ba nyona na di bi nya sa ba e ma bu pam kan yelma la ka ban bora woma ajeje yo ya you dala you the mapolo. No what ma. That's a feeling no ma. To Baza Piane. Aba. The diable Polola. The Banakulina Woma to you mana. To will be a bonnet should lula shade. Shade and die. Aba. Also, yes, ya pump. No, na mama sui. What should you say? No, mama sui. Nazama. Jife Sambolo. So Bolozo. What are you quantity? What would talk character? Till I get to get up for quite a good what? Tell you to Munasha for quite a good together. Quite a near you so paluda one and now. Goma, Pagabo Labasheba. I buy a debo. Hey, did that quite a to clear from layer to a yara. Till it tells you to a lying, eh, and pay to a biba. No, pay to a biba, yes, Lagati and Nandria, Nanus of Yapaga Asabredale, Yendi Community Center, yes, Biaji, that particular concert market Minatuya, Neten Ghana City, Artist Mabangalsia, yes, so Poluchakan Katunya, what a very quick one, Kawana, Katanabu come to Usu Hisiapam, Quati, Nibia Quati Pulama, Yamanguna, Diana Joya, Among Galman, to to Mamma dear, Community Center. Wula. Can ye twa now so? Can ye no comment center? Oh. No la. Oh. No comment center. Kaula ka bonele. Mabe seme se an kultuma seme se no community center. Ti en non ti on va chapuluma. Ni yulumbala. Oh ah, ta ko to yele da jamadu. Ni ya ko mutu sata. Ba ta maka tu sebe selma. Ko ta ma. Da ka ta da ma.
Du ma zabri yancha.
Ila la jama, ni ya she jama. Ko kala barka.
Are na wora kama be bandi bi nyum wabo.
Bande ba nywana di bi nya saba. Murba pankan yelma. Ban gumbar la fiera. Ban nyanga tense fin yelanga. Dan nan ma banam balma ngaro. Banam ka to toron so kan da to sun kwam. Ka pa ba jwa na fiera.
La wora la pasu ni wale. Sabta le bien pa.
Lenye, sabta ba ka to kulbora. Manda ya yede. Dika mu ya kya da na shefu ma tuwon kwabra lata. Ma nan le lara.
Aba.
Nan le lara. Ma ba za tuma jam.
Dizo ka wuri o boy di na tera.
So kam lasim wo boase.
Aba.
Dan da ma mu kam ma bo won bo makan lafsa.
La ka se ya.
La ka se duniya gi za ha bo go. Ma non ko shege lafsa.
Oh, bo ya
bi shakka.
Bo
Af de ma fa ma de ka fa za. Di ka fa ne le gla fa ta. La nye. Mamba za tuma jam.
Okay, no wacha anna mala bwasha.
Da katare.
So di na no bwahale.
Da katare.
Ton kanna. Yes, Alaji Sobolo. Alaji Sobolo comedians ma ibitin da batin tu fashu ma o. Because dancers ma de wala 3-4 dancers mbala ma comedians ma de atu. Na mbor kwate no be yimo na. O dipa 5 service katare bolna. Ha du mo mama na ku dolan continuity.
Wa ku to kara.
Ba kwate zan solo. Ni le cheka ban kama ne gbal pen be chirn de wazo. Ne zo mi yel ne to mo ko nye den pun den gare ne den kanan wa sha lafu o ko je lo yin nyata ne den yar pa bu na ya ala jobulu ma ko bon yiba no ready shilma amali ya venya nga I mean the second time no kitchen yin be third time bala second time no okay odi ko ne mama shula ira be ni man bo so how was it like ula Daniel I mean performing in Yindi
then I trained the first time that I like it so I never wanted to kind of use it with the except an October so we edge around of the very well. You shot the man okay. It's all I can and never bring my so to go solo and never not have some. Okay. And then I put that
okay, all right. Yes, I think you going to Yendi na Sankara Yilkata Pachama, second time kitchen ma. I mean, and Yendi happens to be a place that Bubarwai to Apam. Bubarwai to Apam. I mean, and Munong show mama dance I knew before he got into music, so that seems to suggest like one girl cinema. Then Kamal Nazanti, he fans my especially that in Punchang to Woma, people are beginning to like you, and you guys have a competition that you know on TV. I'm very sure that each animal to Wovin Yanga, you can edge the people, Kafut Mali, Kanazanti, in be not Got Talent program. Then Kamal Naya fans my minimal master.
Manukumeshe, Mammy, Trapunchang.
Okay.
My dances, my try against your pamba. Subaranya Wama. I will catch Wama was so come down over them. Okay. The within mammy, may your mouth to the mouth too much in that yet. Okay. Catch a mother teacher Puyama. Next come over show to change little new competition. So Maruku shall unity. Then that one competition at the industry. Oh, you were part of competition. I didn't pile competition. I didn't. Like the Pabantu don't go, tend to what?
Oh, lucky, sir. Oh, so Banatina to what? So I'm at it to what? Buktola, before machine them now. Buktoa, Buktola, so shall I man? No, I know your program like that, you know, keep one of the best dancers in Wamura. You check up a dumb wall. Nidipala. Brand Empire Damba wow, and now the new formation of Zabon one Chile. Look, no Kutulawa, Bentawa. Would you buy a tokucha come in like up to some time? I live some pacha. You are some program. Look to no okay, to now something of your Paga Kama Makarati Dishara Asabra Delmaya, 10 Ghana City, I'll have your 10 Ghana City, Mormon in Yanya, Mukborman in your program, Mutina, Uncle Yella, some 3-4 course, Yendi, 3-4 course, no, WhatsApp, big course, WhatsApp. Bankutuma WhatsApp, no 10 channel, 10 indirect tickets, 10 ladies, program up on 10, before Sakayan Danti, Unkutu Danta, Yengai, free shoe. Katla hajipila kulia unkuna ala then before the game danti ka spicy show ma karanyas ya en na dala tikita ka tinto move be free ka biabani ka la ber ma telle ya na ta ma ba ya o ni go sheje ja la bra san ka to qualify ni bor no mbo ha yi fashele
jakata
mbo ma bo ma bije ya bi sabale mo semse ni kama ni sa bi
koko ba wala nyango le bosa sabele ka ko bien
kan sabu
woma ma aba ma ba cha ma no sa no dangang baga woma na o so abien dikalo sagba le biane bula ba ko kay bo ma lela
ma abien mi so nu ka mal bo no bo ma
kan sa ko ma muna fi ko ba ko ka bora
ni yo ba so ati ma shala
na won so ji fese sagba no ma ko ti
no yama wa ma da
ama ko ma ban ba
lawo
we ba je bi te mem bi hembian ma di jaran ka ge we ban jo na lura
aba
e ko ma
okay
ban jo na lura
okay don't we go chana bo last one
aba
bo kama pa wa almi pa chia donc mure simsini ni sel
de sa ha kul nyala yim domin ci wa kulji asan no de keme wo mi kula wa gara ka wula ako panjeje yem ma keme na won ko nam la le nam po ma kar kulura abala ma jama na san nan karbe no buba
do
ma da ta sa bisona
do
kara kullu za hanyo ma polo kan da zan nu barbar le lam ka le kar pre ma bu za tuba ja na wu kullar gam tude din na sema ma fa
o da yar go do ya
boy kada nu ma za nu lan ka le kar pre bi biele de ba ton tude
yo tu no tara
yimo gom jabo
wa last one ka yebo ne ta ma garia
aba
alir dunia ma buka na kunam kama ka alir ka so talgara kama naun na mapuni buka kulera kama ka zan naun na matu
biele
na bra tu chapsia daga ti zan ka buka pa ko da ti wasa Là, nous sommes bien pagé absolument le 13th November. BAJ concert maya. It is coming through inside the Sankara area. Guest artist maya la banama. Kinsey is Flexi, KD, Destiny B, Don Ziggy, and Tupa Northern Best Dancers. The Brand Empire. Nikurshi Banyala Wundam Studio Mobaya. Lalakoti and Damna Sankara area. And Tupa the Great Quati. Women Zambunyor Pataba in a great competition, comedian star. Oh boy, BAJ concert my life in the Sankara area. Ntema Kabana media partners maya Sankara Radio. That's my radio, Yendi Online, and so many people supporting, of course. 10 Ghana City, Allah Habiyarman Puya in the 10 tickets in something nearby 10. Ladies, me can yentia, Bankana Shuma. Yes, Kanawan Yanogo in the 10 tickets, will be 20 go in the ma, Lalanya $50 by no in the tickets, Unabiyama number. But all in all, Bazahani in that ticket, Yamasa, try and see how the Yellow San Laramate and Yono go to that tickets man and something. Legitahabi ladies man who will do that before the show, Maya. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Na Sankara Yiria. Yes, nakutela yetu ashale. Unafanya kwa kanda bwana yale chief adboso nana oranje la munyin nang bantu apa oyeng da tala bom hal na gum yetu amasha ma da rahmal lan nan dahma yetu abira da kuna fa batoko pour la chief kaparo solo no samu solo dahma masha na ko baladi ko nyeshel kamza ha we are with you in this sort of full time maya. Yes, now ngar de bwale now cha kala targa. Okay, yabi isane yar ma sa Sankara entertainment ki ma sa ha de pour kaparo so za hannan gwan yindi ntuzora anyela mun amale over the weekend ma mashud mbana ma mashud kadila ma. Congratulations to you once again, you and Asana and the whole family, friends bandakana to support ka amale ma nan ya. Yes, mpo rabbambala ya alungo ma za ha pasara na chimba ntepa chief jangu bambala tema na mbana ma atumbala ndako goro ba ya chief dinin ka kana kamanta na to asba nzalla tin le nyanyati yamali to amasha min israhim tifila and har shala ma ba minu salam bala ma dinin ka tumma kana atin go sit down and talk of that issue, as usual. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, production team. Big ups to you inside Yendi Yargar Mazaha, team. Oh boy, Bezahan Bang Nakutu Label. Thank you so much, production team. As always, okay, I'll be getting from Nacho Makuilbo. Yes, Rashid Yalamumbi cameras. Thank you so much, Ahmed MC Arma Kubea, Lenel Kashahid, Ube MC Arma Akraya, General Manager Mr. Enoch Nepamasa, Alfred Kujobu is the CEO of AKB Multimedia. Thank you so much. Tepuya kapapa marhaba. Yenna dambi yesalama kabam bahgar koga nidir ku changso kam ni sa propanga tama ni ku nyeshal kam yasan bayim ka sa'atan kulun ko ulan ko ko kumar banka Muhammad Hafiz the trender. We out. Bye bye. Salam.